Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is the most scrumptious and extremely popular and everyone's favorite Punjabi delicacy, Dhaba style Aloo Paratha. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and enable the bell icon so that you won't miss out my new uploads. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the Dhaba style Aloo Paratha, let's first make the dough for it, for which I have taken 4 cups of wheat flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add the required amount of salt, but I have added 1 teaspoon of it. Mix the dry ingredients well. Now add 2 cups of water gradually. Don't add water at a stretch, add very gradually and knead well to a smooth dough. Now the dough is smooth. You can cover the mixing bowl and let the dough rest in room temperature for about 1 hour. This will, soften the dough. Keep it aside. Now after 1 hour, you can see the dough is soft and, it has got the perfect texture, for rolling it. Now cover it and keep it aside till we make the potato stuffing. Now for making the potato stuffing, take 750 grams of boiled and mashed potatoes, to which I have added 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 chopped green chillies, finely chopped green chillies, and finely chopped coriander leaves, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and quarter teaspoon of dry mango powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder, and 2 tablespoons of dried kasuri methi. Crush with your palms and add them. This will add very good flavor, so don't skip it. 1 teaspoon of salt. I did not add salt while boiling the potatoes. And mix it thoroughly. See that the ingredients get mixed well with the mashed potatoes. Now the potato stuffing is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's start rolling the dough. Make a medium sized ball with the dough and flatten it with your palms like this. Dust it slightly with the flour like this. Press it very smoothly and make a ball out of the potato mixture and stuff it into the dough and cover it this way with the dough. Now cover the stuffing with the dough properly and shape it like this, like a money bag, and cover it entirely. Flatten it well. See that the stuffing doesn't come out. Do it very gently. Now once you flatten it, dust it with some powder, the flour. Dust it with the flour like this way. See that the entire dough is covered with the flour. Now gently flatten the stuffed dough with your palm like this. Now start rolling the stuffed dough, with a rolling pin. Do it very, very gently. Otherwise the stuffing would come out of the dough. Roll them very slowly. Now heat a roti pan and place the paratha over it and drizzle some oil and cook over a medium flame. Flip it to the other side and drizzle some more oil on top and at the sides also, and cook the parathas till they turn golden brown in color. Now you can see they are turning to golden brown. Now it's done and ready to be served with Boondi Raita and some pickle. Now I'll show you how to make Boondi Raita. It makes a very good side dish for this Aloo Paratha. Now take curd 400 grams in a bowl and add quarter cup of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. Beat it with a whisk Beat thoroughly till the curd turns creamy, like this way, and add some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Add the curd into a serving bowl and sprinkle some Kashmiri red chilli powder and some bundis. These are unsweetened bundis, not the sweet ones. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and some more Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now our Boondi Raita is ready to be served with the hot and delicious Aloo Parathas. Friends, please try this authentic and real Punjabi Dhaba style Aloo Paratha and write your feedback to me in the comments box. This is absolutely, a foolproof recipe and you will love these parathas for sure. If you like this video and my recipe, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon, and please share this recipe with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Meet you all in my next video. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.